So good afternoon to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Magma FinCorp. So we'll see the company's technical analysis. We'll see the next possible levels. So people who are regularly following me might be knowing that we already discussed about this particular company. Almost have done two videos. The first video was 1 month back where we discussed the fundamentals of the particular stock, and also we have seen the levels when it was around 20 rupees. And later again I updated the technicals and also discussed that what will be the next target. So today it has achieved our targets. That's why I am updating the levels again, so that people who are holding for long term, they can have a view on levels. So watch the video till the end, so people are invested. It will be very helpful. And if you have any doubt regarding any share, do mention in the comment section. Okay, if we see the financials of this particular company, if we see the quarter 1 results, we can see that revenue has increased almost 41.5%, and net income, you can see how well it has increased to almost 242.86%, and even net profit margin has also increased to 142.33%. Up move is also seen. So we can see a very well results it has posted. So that's why even the share has reacted in that way, and 30 plus easily it has given a movement, and today you can see almost 7% positive move was seen in the stock. So what will be the next levels? So we'll see that on charts, and also we'll see the volume analysis, which is also very important. Okay, when we see the volume analysis, so we can see on 19th August itself, we can see almost 63.9% was seen, and if you see deliverable quantity is very good as compared to trade quantity, but little bit of traded quantity is also more. So that also we need to take into consideration. But if we consider, if we compare with the previous week, month as well as 6 months average, we see that percentage wise increase is there, but traded quantity is increasing. So that is some sort of negative thing. Okay, if everything goes well, then definitely we can see a further movement in the future as well. So what is the other negative thing about the particular company? We'll see in next slides. Okay, if we see the market cap is almost around 995 crores. Okay, if we see industry PE, okay, is around 29.90, and you can see current PE is around 111. So almost it is presented very we can say high valuations only. And if you see deliveries are almost 64.20, but book value has remained at very good position. You can see book value is around 93.32. Okay, so PE is high, so that is only what is a negative for this particular company. So results wise, financials wise, so everything is very good, as I discussed in my earlier videos as well. Okay, if we see other indicators, if we see the momentum of this stock, we know it's in average position. We know that continuously it was having a good move. Again, a sudden downfall was seen. Again, it was having a movement. So we can say two sides movement was seen. And if we see RSI and money flow index, so both of them are completely in overbought region. So whenever overbought region any stock enters, we know that pullback will happen. That is, again reversal will take place. So 70.6 and money flow index 74.1, we can say it's in completely overbought region. So you need to be very cautious. So if people who entered for positional trading, so definitely they can have a partial booking of profits. So this was the target which we discussed in the previous videos, that is the 35 rupees. So today it has given that movement level. Okay, now we'll see the next levels, and also we'll see what can be the long-term targets of this stock. Okay, if you see the 1 day chart of this, you can see today it has given a breakout from the 34 rupees level, so which for which it was facing a resistance since many days. So if you back test it, when it has come near that particular level, we can see again it has retraced its path, but this time it has given a good breakout from that particular level. Okay, so if you see money flow index, again it is in the overbought region. So volume wise, we can see, okay, good breakout is being seen. Will it sustain that particular level is only the big question. And if we see in 1 week chart as well, so it has given movement from the level which we have discussed in previous videos. So once when I weighed near 21, this was the level when I made a video, and from there you can see it has given a very good journey. So immediate again resistance for this stock is the 50 EMA, which is around 41.97. So from that, if it respects that 41.97, then 52 rupees will be easily achieved. Okay, for long term. So these are the two targets. So first one will be 41.97 and second one will be 52.71. Okay, so focus on these levels, and supports always are 30 rupees level. So that is a very good support, which it has respected these particular levels. And if you see money flow index as well, it is not the completely yet reached the overbought region, so definitely further movement also may happen. So definitely if you're in positional trade, then you can hold a little bit and then you can book your profits. So this is all about Magma Fincorp. So these were the levels that I felt that I need to update, because so many people were asking about the next levels. Okay, if you like the video, definitely like and subscribe. So next video we'll discuss about another share. So until then, take care. Bye bye.